All right, let's talk about yellow. But not just any yellow, butter yellow. Sherwin-Williams just announced Icy Lemonade as their color of the month for June 2025. And it's giving retro diner meets modern kitchen. But can you actually use this shade in your home? Let's break it down. I'll show you where this color works beautifully, what Sherwin-Williams recommends pairing it with, and how you can adapt those ideas for your space. Icy Lemonade is a soft, buttery yellow that doesn't feel too sweet or too bold. Sherwin-Williams calls it cheerful and easy to use, and their color expert says it's great for trying something new, like painting your cabinets, brightening up a hallway, or updating a home office. It's flexible enough to work on walls, furniture, or small accents. And no matter how you use it, it helps a room feel fresh, warm, and pulled together. To help you style Icy Lemonade, Sherwin-Williams suggested 4 coordinating colors that make it easier to pull a whole room together. Let's start in the kitchen, because this is where Icy Lemonade really shines. Sherwin-Williams recommends using it on your cabinets and pairing it with Evergreen Fog for the backsplash. It gives the space a cool, refreshing contrast. Add some warm wood shelving and white countertops, and you've got a kitchen that feels sunny but still balanced. Now if you move into the dining room, the vibe shifts slightly. Here, the brand suggests bringing in Mellow Mauve, a soft terracotta pink, to warm things up. You can use Icy Lemonade on the walls, or just in smaller touches like curtains or art, and then layer in natural textures to make it feel grounded and relaxed. And for the home office, the advice is a bit more playful. Stick with white walls, but add Icy Lemonade in smaller doses. Maybe a yellow bookshelf, a bright desk lamp, or some cheerful wall decor. Then bring in coral or even red accents to boost energy without going overboard. It's an easy way to make the space feel more creative, especially if you work from home and need that mood boost. So here's one way to use Icy Lemonade in your house. Something that feels soft, calm, and still has personality. You could paint just one wall, or maybe 2, in Icy Lemonade. It gives the space a warm glow, especially if there's good daylight. Then, keep the trim and ceiling bright and crisp with a color like white snow. It helps the yellow feel fresh instead of heavy. Now to balance that warmth, bring in just a touch of Evergreen Fog, maybe on a cabinet, a sideboard, or a single chair. That soft green adds depth without making the room feel moody. Stick with light wood tones for furniture, or natural fabrics like linen or soft beige upholstery. And if you want to layer in one more color, try something like a dusty mauve pillow or a soft pink vase, but it's totally optional. The overall feel? Clean, relaxed, and open. So, is Icy Lemonade the right pick for every home? That really depends on how you use it. When styled well, it brings warmth, softness, and even a touch of elegance. Do you think Icy Lemonade could work in your home? Let me know in the comments. Looking for more paint ideas to help your home feel stylish and easy to decorate? Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.